So you don't have anything here that combines Star Wars and fireworks?
Nah.
But nothing with New Orleans?
No.
Nothing New Orleans?
I never seen that actually.
Really?
I never seen it.
I've never seen it either.
Oh, the little dynamites, they're safer and you could throw them in the water and they still pop.
How much are those?
$2.
Yeah, let's go into those. And what do those anal bead things do again?
The blue and white thing?
Yeah, the red, white, and blue anal
I
beads.
never popped those, but
Really?
they told me that they ain't work.
They're not
Yeah.
good. The anal beads aren't good.
Huh.
Okay.
So you don't like the anal beads?
Nah, I don't.
I mean,
What can you pop in a house?
In the house?
Yeah, something we can do in the house. We're gonna be in his house.
Yeah. Like this one, look. These is a fountain. You just put it like that, and like different colors start coming on the ground. They don't go up or nothing. This one's the same too.
oh, those are little fountains.
Yeah, these are $2. These are $8.
If only they had something that combines Star Wars and fireworks. I just don't know.
What about, do you have anything that has to do with like people chasing celebrities, like taking pictures of them?
I don't think so.
No.
Probably at the warehouse.
No,
Yeah, that's
it's
fine.
cool. No.
That's fine.
Wait, I'm gonna give you some.
Maybe it's the anal beads. So there's nothing Star Wars here.
There's nothing Star Wars here at all.
That's weird.
Very weird. There's nothing New Orleans here at
Put
all.
one of these in there.
Oh, cool.
All right.
All right, you have a good 4th of July. See ya.
Don't underestimate the Force.